Hi everyone, this is Susie. Today I will show you how to make perfect fried rice by the simplest ingredients and the easiest way. We can make fried rice by all kinds of rice, but this easy long grain rice is best. Because for fried rice, this easy long grain rice is not too wet. It will help to create a fluffy texture and you can buy it from most supermarkets. If you don't know how to cook rice, please see my previous video. Also, we need 16 grams frozen green bean and corn. Soak it for 5 minutes by warm water. You can buy light soy sauce and oyster sauce from Amazon or eBay or Tesco, Morrisons and Sainsbury in the UK. Prepare 15 grams green onion for help in create egg fried rice aroma. If you don't have fresh lemon, use lemon juice replace it, please. 2 eggs, stir it. Let's turn on the heat. Add some cooking oil. When the cooking pan is hot, put the eggs in first. Keep the heat medium-low. Mix it up. Keep it fluffy. Add the cooked rice in. We must stir-fry the rice until it's fluffy. Keeping the eggs and the cooked rice fluffy are key points for stirring fried rice. Add green bean and corn. Add light soy sauce and oyster sauce. Add green onion. Add a pinch of salt and white pepper or black pepper. Squeeze in a few drops of fresh lemon. Now, let me get ready for my lunch box. I will try it at my lunchtime. For the authentic egg fried rice, egg aroma, cooked rice aroma, fluffy texture, they are the case when egg fried rice tastes delicious. Are you mouth-watering? Thank you for watching. I will share a stir-fried noodles recipe with you next time. See you soon.